Good morning, everyone, and welcome to episode 106 of Words of Wisdom. I'm Marlena Moore, personal fulfillment coach and founder of the Time Finder Secrets course, and I'm on a mission to help people pleasers rediscover their self worth so that they can start putting themselves first and live happy, fulfilling lives. For more videos every week to motivate and inspire you to live life to the fullest, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Now, today's episode is focused on a quote by Oprah Winfrey that really just gets you thinking about how you want to impact the world, how you want to help others, and how you want to leave a legacy, or what kind of legacy you would like to leave behind when you are no longer on this planet. And the quote is really powerful and I love it. And it's, know what sparks the light in you, then use that light to illuminate the world. And I find that it's really great that, it centers on it focuses in on what inspires you, what lights you up, what gets you excited. And, you're using that light and that inspiration and that passion to just spread it out to the world and just impact the world in a positive way. Now, we've talked about, how you want to impact the world, your passions, so on and so forth. And this really kind of extends on that because it really focuses in on, what inspires you, what gets you fired up, what is something that you're excited about, and how can you use that particular thing to impact the world in a positive way. Now, for me, what inspires me, what lights me up is the aspect of helping other people, of supporting them, of encouraging them, of lending an ear when they need help. Or, I love showing up for people and just supporting them and being there for them. I have a big heart for that. And, as a people pleaser, it can be, overwhelming sometimes to be that for other people. But it's also very noble, and it's also very, how do you say, it leaves you feeling good about helping other people, about supporting them. And it's why sometimes I think, if I were a counselor or a psychologist or something like that, I think I would have done really well with that because I love to connect with people. I love to listen to them. I can empathize with them. I am an empath, so, I feel what other people feel, and it soaks in, and I can relate to people more as a result. And I like to listen with a non-judgmental ear. I like to support as best I possibly can, and I enjoy it. And that's why I love coaching so much, because it is my opportunity to help and support people through the struggles they're facing in their lives. And what I find really, really great is just the idea of taking something that you're passionate about, taking something that you enjoy, and sharing it with the world in a way that inspires other people, that helps other people, encourages other people, supports other people. Like, I'm sure you have had an experience once or twice where something that you watched, something that someone said, someone that you had a conversation with inspired you in such a way where it's just like, this must have been meant to be. Like, I was actually recently at a dinner with a collection of church ladies that my friend invited me to, and she was hosting. And one of the ladies, they were like two of the women were talking back and forth about how one of the ladies had sent the other woman like a little like devotional, and she was like, you don't know how much that helped me and that supported me. Like, it's like I really needed that. Like, that's the kind of like energy and the kind of light that I'm talking about, is like, doing something as simple as that, as sharing something that you find, a piece of wisdom, or writing a poem and sharing it with the world, and like having the emotions and the feelings that you poured into it to touch someone, to have someone read something that you've written, and, finally be seen or heard, or, identify with the experience and not feel odd and strange or like they're the only one going through it, or being a coach and, letting people know that, hey, yes, it is okay to struggle as a people pleaser, but that does not mean that your life ends. That does not mean that your life is centered around, everyone else but yourself. You can have a life where it's built in, where you can focus on nurturing yourself while also supporting others in a healthy and a boundary-full way that doesn't allow you to burn out or doesn't cause you to burn out. So there's just many ways that you can use the light that you have inside of you, the things that fire you up, the things that ignite passion in you. You can use that to really support other people, inspire other people, motivate other people, and just allow it to light the world, as the quote says. I think that's really powerful. I think that's really just something to really think about. And it's like, think about your passions, think about what inspires you, think about what motivates you, and how you can use that to help other people. Maybe it's a story that you share with other people that really gets them thinking differently about their circumstances, gets them thinking differently about, maybe what they're experiencing, or maybe a decision they're about to make. It may just help them to move down a path that is more positive and that will benefit them later down the road. So think about that. And I have a question for you guys today. How would you like to give back to the world? Now, this could be through charity, this could be through creative work, this could simply be through, like creating a YouTube channel and sharing your knowledge, creating a course. Like, you could do just about anything, like, share your story, speak on stage, like so many different things that you can do, donate your time or your, like, goods to a church or what have you. But think about that. How do you want to give back to the world? What lights you up? What fires you up? And how do you want to use that light to light the world? So I hope everyone's having a wonderful Friday. As always, I love being here. I love that you're here. And, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 a.m. Eastern, Words of Wisdom comes out. I'll be here. I hope you'll be here too. Like, share, subscribe to the channel if you want more. And as always, just spread that light. Spread the words of wisdom that will support other people. Be that light in the world. I love being that light in the world, and I hope that you guys can be the light in the world as well. So take care of yourselves, guys. Have a wonderful Friday, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye, everyone.